You were just in a car accident, and now you're trying to figure out if you have coverage. My name is James with the Resurgence Group. We're a full-service insurance agency, and we specialize in auto insurance. The first thing you want to do once you have that accident is to look at your policy and see what kind of limits you have within that policy. You can call your agent or customer service. They could also help you. But generally, you have a policy that will tell you if you have collision coverage. It's very specific, and you have to ask for it when you start the policy. Many people these days are trying to save money, so they're getting away from all the different liabilities, such as bodily injury, property damage, comprehensive, or collision. But if you've got a vehicle of any value, or if you have a lien on it, chances are you have a collision portion as far as your policy. There's also a deductible that's associated with it. So you have anywhere from $250 up to $5,000 that would be out of pocket, and then after that, your carrier would pay the difference to get that vehicle back in shape. So what we suggest is that look at the policy or call your agent and speak with them. They'll know immediately whether or not you have comp and collision, and once you find out if you have it, then you can put in a claim and find out what the deductible is, and that's how much money it's going to cost you. Again, my name is James with the Resurgence Group, and when you're thinking about your policy, have it on hand, have it in the glove compartment, or have the agent telephone number so that you can give him a call or her a call immediately.